how to manage out of delivery zone message on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it and change it easy and quick. First open your browser and then click settings, and as you see here you will find settings. Then all you need to do just type here shipping and click on it, and here we'll find out of delivery zone message. Then all you need to do just click edit, and here type anything you want and then click submit, and then just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.